What day is it? It's Father's Day, the day we celebrate dads. And this year, I'm going to celebrate big. I think I'm going to put together a nice little spread for my father-in-law for his special day. Also, my wife's uncle, Uncle Tony, is going to be here as well. And we're going to put a nice spread together for him as well. Today's the day we celebrate dads. And today, fasten your seatbelt. You asked for it. It's season 2, and it's time to watch me cook. Hey everybody, it's June 19th, Juneteenth, the day before Father's Day, a very, very special holiday. I'm trying to plan this menu for Father's Day, and I've come up with something really special. I'm going to make a roasted pork tenderloin. Just season it really well with salt and pepper, sear it really hard, and then roast it in the oven. Keep it simple. Also, I'm going to take a riff on a classic Italian dish, cacio e pepe. Instead of using regular pasta, everybody in our house is type 2 diabetic. We're going to use some spaghetti squash, some black pepper, finish it with some Parmesan cheese. Make it really, really good. And for the sauce for this dish, I'm going to go a little different. I'm going to make a blueberry serrano chili compote to go with this pork. And for dessert, we decided we want to support one of our local businesses, Icing on the Cupcake, and we decided we're going to go to them and get some of their delicious cupcakes for dessert. So let's check the pantry. All right, I just got done checking the pantry for the supplies I need, and looks like I need to make a little shopping trip. I'm going to need another pork tenderloin. I'm going to need some spaghetti squash. Definitely going to need some blueberries and a couple other things as well. So let's get these groceries and let's get to it. All right, it's Sunday, it's Father's Day, and we're on the road. We're going to have a little Father's Day lunch with my father-in-law, me and my beautiful wife, Nora. And after that, we're going to go take care of dessert. We're going to go shopping, and we're going to get all the ingredients for this really great dish. All right, we're here at the store, and I just got a call from my mother-in-law saying that Dad wants something a little different. And you know what? That's okay. I'm still going to make the cacio e pepe. He wants some stuffing. He wants some steamed cauliflower. You know what? And that's exactly what we're going to give him. Why? Because a good chef, you know, I like to think of myself of having the caterer or yacht chef mentality is we adjust on the fly and we go with the flow because that's what we do. Let's go shopping. were on our way home and it was getting late, and I was thinking to myself, everybody needs to eat, and everybody needs to eat at a decent hour, so we needed to get back to the house, and I needed to get cooking. Okay, we got back here to the house, and you know what time it is, guys. Time to grill pan is ready to go. Alright, I'm using my grill pan and we are grilling our pork tenderloins for our roasted pork tenderloin. And the great thing is, I can actually take this whole pan and I can throw it in the oven and just let it cook on this pan. And it's going to be great. It's going to be awesome. I just put the pork in the oven and it's going to be cooking in there until it reaches an internal temperature of about 135 degrees. Then the carryover cooking will bring it up. While the pork's in the oven, now it's time to make my blueberry serrano chili combo. While that is simmering, I'm going to put the spaghetti squash in the microwave for the cacio because it's getting to be crunch time and people want to eat fast. Family's all together, and the kitchen's a little hot today, but we're getting it done, and dinner's gonna be ready soon, and it's gonna be great. Alright, the food's out, everybody's eaten, and everybody loved it, which I'm not surprised. It was a great meal. So guys, I want to thank you for joining me for this Father's Day Season 2 episode of Watching Me Cook. And I want you to remember something. You are here for a reason. You have value. And if somebody tells me you can't do something, you say, watch me. Oh, you can't get that job, say watch me. You can't pass that test, say watch me. Watch me grow. Watch me empower myself. Watch me prove you wrong. To quote a very great person that I know, never underestimate the power you give yourself by believing in you. I thank you for joining me on this episode of Watch Me Cook. Get out of here and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel below. See ya.